Hello, this is Herendir Ortiz from Cisco Enterprise Switching Team. In this video, we will show you how to perform an iOS XE upgrade in install mode for the Industrial Ethernet 3300 ROC series switches. The same procedure and commands apply for Industrial Ethernet 3100 ROC series switches. Access to privileged exec mode is needed to perform the upgrade. The first step is to verify our current setup. You can run the show version command and you can filter the output to see only the relevant information. Type show version pipe include iOS.exe pipe file space is pipe model space number. We can see this is an Industrial Ethernet 3300 switch running iOS.exe 17.10.1 version. The file used to boot up is flash:/packages.conf. This means the switch is booting in install mode, which is Cisco's recommended booting mode. Now, type show install summary. In this output, we need to confirm that the file name /version section shows the state with the letter Z, meaning activated and committed. Confirm the auto abort timer shows inactive. This is to verify there is no other code installation already running and that we are ready for the next step. Before copying the .bin file to the switch, it is recommended to have a minimum of free space that is twice the size of the image in Flash. If there is not enough space available in the flash drive, you're advised to free up space either by issuing the install remove inactive command or to manually clean up the flash by removing unwanted files or files that occupy a large amount of space. To review the free space in the flash, you can use the dir flash:/pipe include free command. In this example, we will use the install remove inactive command to illustrate the output and type the letter N, as the .bin file we want to use is listed in the files to be removed. Next step is to copy the .bin file from a TFTP or FTP server to the flash drive. As in this example we already have the required file in the flash drive, we will skip this step. As best practice, let's verify the MD5 checksum for the .bin file. For this step, please copy the MD5 checksum value from the downloads page on cisco.com. Hover your mouse over the iOS.exe file name. Copy the MD5 checksum, then paste it on the verify/MD5 command. When the switch finishes computing the MD5, it shows verified in case both hashes match, as in this example. If they didn't match, an error would be prompted, indicating the image is corrupt and it needs to be copied again to the switch. Next step is to change the boot variable to packages.conf. To see the current booting variable, you can run the show boot command. In case you see booting variable already set to flash:/packages.conf and manual boot variable set to no, you can skip this step and move to the next one. Go to the global configuration mode and change the boot variable to packages.conf and the boot manual variable to no. Use the commands no boot system to remove the current booting statement and then configure the booting variable to flash:/packages.conf. Then use the no boot manual command, exit from configuration mode and save the configuration. To verify the boot variables, run again the show boot command. At this point, we can proceed with the upgrade using the install add file activate commit command. Please remember to use the .bin file of the image you want to upgrade to. Please be aware that after running this command, a reload will be required and a prompt message will be shown to confirm the reload of the switch. Once the switch boots up, please verify the status with the show version and show install summary commands. Now you can see the switch has been upgraded to the new version 17.12.4 and the image is activated and committed. This concludes the procedure. Please check the Cisco video portal for more video content. Thank you for watching.